So I just want to do a quick video changing the air filter on a 2022 4Runner. It's the same for I think like 2014 all the way up to like 2024. But the big thing I want to talk about is the type of air filter, which is the Toyota one. So when you order this off of Amazon, surprisingly it actually comes from Toyota in California, and it's the actual Japanese one. So this is the actual Denso one that is made in Japan. There's the part number just for reference, but it has the pre-filter on it as well. And the dealer would charge you 65, 70 bucks to change this out. And it's really just 3 little tabs. So 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Just lift up. Here's the old one, which got back from Moab, so I'm guessing it's pretty tore up. And here's the old one. Obviously, major difference in color. This is the original one. This thing has 32,000 miles on it. But like I said, we did some trails in Moab. A lot of dust, a lot of dirt. And it's such a simple do-it-yourself. But that's it. So, like I said, side by side. There's the difference in 30,000 miles. And on Amazon, this is 30 bucks. And like I said, it's 3 little tabs. Just lift it up, slide it in, push it back on. You just saved yourself 30, 40 bucks from the dealer by changing it yourself, getting a real OEM part from Amazon, straight from the Toyota dealer. And you did this in less than 2 minutes, and so simple. But make sure you order the right part number and make sure you verify where it comes from, because like I said, this one comes from the Toyota dealer. It is the Japanese filter. It is the good one, and you got 30,000 miles out of that. Probably get another 15, 20 out of this one before I change it out, just to do a little more preventative. So thanks for watching.